Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things using Java and React 18, and I hope you are understanding that all things. Like previously, we have done the video about Java, and I hope you understand that video in which we have just covered up the project. And I hope you understand that first front-end project which we have built in Java, which was food template. So now we have just done the previous video of Java. So our today's video is about React 18, and today I will be telling you a different tag using React 18, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well. So this video will be really interesting, and it will be similar to the other videos which we have built in React 18, but the tag should be different in this video. So I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video. If you understand, enjoy this, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding that. And remember to just share this video as well, so just more people can understand about these things, and they can also build their own projects using these all amazing languages. You can also check my previous courses which I have uploaded. Like I have covered up the JavaScript tutorial when I was just doing that. I have done project based tutorial of JavaScript. You can check that out if you want to learn JavaScript project based tutorial from start. You can also check this React 18 tutorial, because I have uploaded 60 plus videos, and now we'll be uploading more videos using React 18. And I have also started the Java tutorial, in which we have covered up two projects using Java. One is backend project, and the second one is front-end project which we have built. So that will also giving you help. Remember to check that videos out. So now we'll be starting with our today's video, and basically we'll be seeing that what tag we are using in React 18 and how we are using this tag from start, and what things we will be using in this video from start to end. So just like I've telling you, we'll be just working with React 18, and today I will be telling you that what project we are building. So now we'll be just starting with our React 18 project and seeing that what tag we are using in our today's project and what we are building. So for building the project using React 18, here I will be opening my VS Code again. After opening the VS Code text editor, I will be now closing all these files and folders. So I'll be now opening new window. Then I will be opening my folder. Like you all know that when I was working with React 18, so I was just using the folder with the name of app1. There is our folder. Now I'll be pressing select folder to open this. After opening the folder, you can see we are getting all these things. So here I will be now working with this file. So I will be now moving here in this file. You can see here it is. So I will be now just erasing all the code, because this is our main file. But before that, I want to run my command, which is npm start. So we can just see it is running or not. Okay, by mistake I'm writing wrong command. So now it is perfect. So now it will be running this our React tag. So I'll be erasing all the codes which we are getting in here, because I will be not needing, and now I will be writing new codes in our file. So I will be moving to this file as well to erase all the codes. Now here is removed, so we don't have to do that. Now here you can just change the title. Like in the previous React 18 video, we have learned about objects array. Now I will be raising this title, because today in this video I will be telling you about different thing in React 18. So just today we will be learning about the main tags. So I will be writing here main tags here. So we'll be learning about today main tags, what are main tags in React 18 and how to use that. So today I will be telling you about that. So now you can see our React 18 app is running. So it will be now getting the command of static development server, and then it will be opening our Microsoft Edge browser. You can see here it is Microsoft Edge. Now I will be doing it side by side. So at the left we are getting all the codes here, and then at the right we are getting our interface side. Now I will be pressing Ctrl B to close side panel. Here it is closed. Now we are just getting this name here of app. When you are getting this, you can see it is saying that local on your network, and then it is also saying compiled successfully, means it is working. Our title has been also changed here to main tags, because we have just changed that. Now I will be telling you that basically what are main tags and how you can just use it in React 18. So basically main tags are the tags. Like these are the main tags. In main tags you can just define anything. Like if I write this heading here, and if I write my name in this heading, so when you've written this name, you can see in the main tags you can style this tag as well. You don't have to define h1. You can directly write the main tag to style. So for styling, I will be moving on to my file, which is app.css. And here, if I just want to style my this name, so I will be not writing h1. I will be directly writing main tag. If I write main, then if I write the text color to blue, save. So here your text color will be changing to blue. If I just show you, you can see now the text color has been changed to blue. I have not defined the h1 tag, means we have just written this heading, this name in h1, but I have not written in CSS h1 to change the color. I have only written main tag to change the color. So this is the main tag work which it does. So this was the simple thing which I have done in main tag. You can also do many other things in main tag. Like if you want to make a nav bar in main tag, you can create it by writing ul. If I write here a tag, this is not the a tag. like this a tag if I write. So I can also write this a tag here directly in this. So if I write in this a tag home, so like this you can define this thing as well. So this is the work of main tag here. You can copy this li tag simply, then you can just paste it many times, like how many times you want your nav bar. So this is the main work of main tag. It can also just helps you to create nav bar menus and helps to just style that as well. Now if I just write here about, then write here services, and in the end I will be writing here blog, like we get in the navbar menu. Save it. You can see we are getting all the navbar menus. Still we are getting the blue color because here it is normal color which we get here. We have not saved the file. Now you can see everything has been changed into the link tags are already in blue, because you all know that. Now if I want to style this, so I will be directly now writing here main tag, then I will be writing here text decoration, which should be none. So if I write this text decoration none, so your text decoration will be here none, means this underline and this color, you will be seeing that color will be here but this underline will be gone. If I change into li, so you will be seeing that it will be not having here. So li tag, save it. So when you will be saving it here, you will be now just getting that all stuff. So here I will be now moving in this file. So move here, and you can see we have just written this li tag and we have defined the a tag as well. So I will be directly writing here like this lia tag. Save it. Now you can see when I've written lia tag, so now the text decoration has been changed to none. So like this you can define this. Now if you want to change the color here, and if you want that list style, means this points which you are getting should be also removed. So for removing this, you can write here list style none. Save it. So you will be now getting the list style none here, and then when you will be getting, so you can just work with this. So like this you can remove these all tag here. So if I just remove here the li only if I write here, and in li if I write list style none, so you will be seeing that list style will be none here. You can see now the points has been removed from here because we have just written list style none. Now I will be now writing here main li a tag, and if I define this tag here, I want to make it inline, so I'll be writing display inline block. So here save it. Now after saving it here, you will be seeing that the display line should be in block. So I will be removing this lia tag, means the main tag which I have written. Save it. Now after saving this, if I show you by full screening, you can see it is in one line. So here we write display line block, so it all will be in one line here. So I will be now directly writing here li. Save it. You can see now these are in inline. So I will be now doing one thing. I will be removing this tag from here, and then I will be writing here display like this, and right here inline, and I will be writing here block. Save it. And after saving here, you will be seeing that we are just getting this here in inline. After getting this inline, you can just give the spacing here. So I will be now giving it the margin, which should be 5 pixel like this. Save it. You can see we are getting the margin. If you want more margins, we can just give it here. You can see we have just given it the more margin. Now if you want to change the font here, so you can just write here this tag, and in this tag I will be just writing here directly, like if I want to change the font family to Poppins, so I will be writing here Poppins comma sans serif. So here I will be writing save. So you can see now the font family has been changed to Poppins. You can change the color as well here. I will be directly writing the color of my text should be in black, so I will be writing color black. You can give it any color which you want to give, but I will be setting it to black. So when you will be doing that, so your color will be directly changing into black, but first you have to wait a while. Okay, so we have just written a tag as well, so I want to define here save. Now this time the color has been changed. You can write here float right, so it will be floating into right. Save it. And when you will be saving it, you can see it is not going at the right side. So here you can just give it the padding. So I will be writing here padding left, which should be like 10 pixel, and you can see it is now getting the padding from here. So I will be now giving it the 100 pixel padding. So here you can see it is too much padding which we have given. So I will be writing here main tag directly. I will be now just removing this. Right here main tag. In main tag, if I write the padding same as like we have written 20 pixels, so you will be seeing that from the top now we are getting the padding, but I want that from right we should get save, and you can see we are just getting from the right the padding. So if I just change it to like 200, save it. So here you can see it is moving at the left here, but we want that it should be moving at the right. So for that I will be now just writing the padding left, so it will be moving at the right. You can see now it is going at the right side, so you can just change it to 600, so it will be moving more enough like this. Here I will be moving, then save it, and you can see again it is moving. So like this you can just set your padding with like you want to set here, and it will be setting it. You can see it is at the right side. So you can set your navbar menus like this, and you can use the main tag. You can see I'm only using main tag to set my navbar menus, which I've just written here. You can see these navbar menus are set. Now at the left side you can just put any logo or any type of that thing. So if I write h1, and in this h1 I will be just writing here logo in capital and dot, save it. So you can see we are just getting it here, and it is also just style. You can set it by moving at the top, but first of all we have to style that. So I've just written h1 tag here. So I will be now directly writing here h1. Then you can give it the padding of 20 pixel. Save, and you can see it is moving down, but I want that it should be moving at the top. So I will be writing padding top, padding bottom. Save it. Now it is moving at the top. Now right here padding right 10 pixel. Save it. And after saving you will be also getting the padding from the right as well, or if you want to get it from the left. So I will be now just saving it, and like this you can see we are just getting this logo written here. So you can just make it forward. So for making it forward you have to just write here 100. Then I will be now writing here right. Save it. So here I will be just writing here left. If I write save, so you can see it is moving forward. You can change it to 50, 20, and now it is good, I think. So if I show you, I think that we should move it more forward. So here you can see now it is just a style. You can take this thing at the top. So I will be moving here, and then I will be now just moving at the padding, and then I will be just moving here. You can see here we have just written. Then I will be now writing here padding top, which should be, or you can say padding bottom, which should be 200. Save it. Now after saving here you will be just getting it more styled here. Then you can see this we are just getting all the things here. So like this you can just style this main tag. So here I will be writing li tag. Save it. Then after saving you can see we are just getting the padding from the down here as well. So like this you can just style and make it more good looking here. So if I just write here padding top, so you can make it to 200 pixel to style this thing here. But I will be now erasing this li which we have written. Save it now. And now if I show you, you can see like this we are getting. And if I want from bottom, so I will be just writing it bottom here. Then you can see we are just getting the spacing from the bottom as well. So like this we can just style that all stuff, and I hope you understand that how you can use main tags and how you can style things using main tags. So this was the thing which I want to show you how you can just use. So these are the main tags you can use to style your navbar menus or to style your other things which you want to style. So I hope you understand this video, and if you have understand, enjoy this video of main tags. So remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand about these things, because that will giving you help, and I hope that it will be enjoyable for you as well. So just remember to check that previous videos, and remember to check out my all the future videos. For that you have to hit notification bell. This I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.